If we don't use human DNA now, someone else will.
Regulators and politicians, they tear us to pieces.
I'm gonna go to jail for this.
Human cloning is illegal. This won't be human.
全新物种
It's coming out.
It's not due for months.
What was that?
A mistake.
变形金刚特效团队打造，
Clive?
挑战道德底线，
It's aging fast. Days within a matter of minutes.
What are we supposed to do?
Lock her away from the world.
前所未有的杀机，
We change the rules. Cross the line.
5月18日晚间10点，好莱坞电影《人工进化》。